Okay, so we want to do example 5, part B in 10.2, and it asks us to simplify this thing. How do I simplify this thing?
You break down the 16.
Okay, I want to know if they're like terms, right? Okay, so let me see. So 16 is made of 4 times 4, which is made of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right?
Yeah. So are we going to the root or the shoot?
Oh, that's kind of annoying, right?
Right.
So this is 2 to the 4th is 16, but I'm trying to take a cube root. Does that help me at all?
No.
Not really. Bummer, right? Okay, so I find out that 16 is 2 to the 4th. Maybe I'll keep track of that for later or something. Okay, what's 54? 9 times 6, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 2, right? You see that? So 54 is 3 cubed times 2, right? Okay, so maybe I can deal with the 54 first. Okay, so I think, all right, this is 11 times the cube root of 16, which I'm still a bit confused by, right? Okay.
Cubed times 2. All times.
I'm not really sure how to deal with that yet. I'm gonna think about it for a second, right? Okay, and then there's 2 times the cube root of 3 cubed times 2, right? Okay. Oh, that one I think I can do something with, right? So I can say, okay, this is 11. I guess there's the cube root of 2 to the 4th. I still don't know how to deal with that thing, right? And then there's a minus 2 cube root of 3 cubed times the cube root of 2, right? What am I using to do that? Yeah, I'm using the thing that the book calls the product rule. Wow, I hate speaking those words. There's another thing called the product rule in calculus. I would prefer if we used that word for the thing in calculus. But really I'm saying, okay, roots play nice with multiplication, right? Okay, so I got to here. Now what can I do? Oh, 3 cubed is, and then cube root is 3, right? And it's an odd one, so I don't even have to worry about the absolute value, right? Okay, so I get 11, and then I got to do something with this. And then this guy is 2 times 3 times the cube root of 2, right? Okay, now I got to do something with this 16, right? So over here I noticed that when I had something cubed, I could cube root it and just leave whatever else was there, right? Okay, so is there a part of 18 that's something cubed? Or 16 that's something cubed?
Well, there's 2 to the 4th, so if we
Oh, that's a super good idea. You guys see that? So 16 is 4 2's multiplied together. I could group those 4 into 3 2's multiplied together, and then one other one. You guys see that?
You wouldn't have to include them.
So here I could write the cube root of, I got to include it. I got to keep it someplace. But I could write this as the cube root of 2 cubed times 2.
And then you take it
You
by
guys see
that.
that? And now I can split again the same way I split the 54. I get 11 cube roots of 2 cubed times the cube root of 2 minus, what's 3 times 2? 6. And I've got cube roots of 2, right? Okay, now what can I do?
you
Oh yeah, I know what the cube root of 2 cubed is, right? That's the cube root of 8, it's 2. So I get 11 times 2 times the cube root of 2 minus 6 cube roots of 2. Okay, what do I do with these? Okay, so I multiply the 2 times the 11, I get 22 cube roots of 2, and I'm subtracting 6. Can't find it. It's like when you can't find your glasses because you're wearing it. All right, so we've got 22 cube roots of 2 minus 6 cube roots of 2. How many does that leave me with?
I don't know.
Okay, if you've got 22 apples and Jimmy comes and steals 6 of them, how many you got left? 16. Right, in this case, cube roots of 2 are our apples, right? Those are the units we're talking about. So this is one way to look. The other way to look is to say, okay, we could factor a cube root of 2 out of here, right, out of both terms. We'd be left with 22 minus 6. We'd do that, we'd get 16 times the cube root of 2. Either way on that's fine. Cool?
You type all that into a calculator, don't you? At the beginning of the problem?
Depends.
It's like 19
So if you type all this junk into a calculator at the beginning, you will get some decimal out of it, right? If you have one of the smarter calculators and you can figure out how to tell it, don't give me decimal approximations, yeah, it'll do this. Yeah, the TI-89s will do that. The one that looks like it's a frickin' phone to call the mothership, the the TI-100 and whatever, the like giant one with the keyboard, that'll definitely do it. You know what'll do it even better is Wolfram Alpha. I feel like I should own stock in this company.
Is it always like that for the, like how we did 16? Like you could take.
Yeah, this was sort of weird, right? I was kind of confused because there were too many 2's, right? But pull them out in groups of whatever this power is, right? So here I was interested in the cube root of 16. So is 16 something cubed times some other stuff? Yeah, it's 8 times 2, right? So I could get the cube root of 8 times the cube root of whatever's left.
It was the one above that you just did times 2. That's
Yeah.
the extra 2.
So this is instead of me thinking of 16 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, I'm thinking about it as 8 times 2. It's still true, it's just a matter of parentheses, right?
We could do that.
It's associativity of multiplication. Does that make sense? Multiplication doesn't care about grouping or order, right? It's commutative, which is the order, and it's associative, which is the grouping.
Once you get the right number, you're good. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool? Questions on this? All
I
right.
have no water.